Hello, today I'm going to be taking you through how to make bread in your Philips 3000 series multi-cooker. When we look at this unit here, we have lots of different functions on it, and we're going to be using the bread function today. So whoever thought you could make bread in your rice cooker? Today we're going to be doing it. The great thing is that we have our bowl here which has my fancy coating. It is 6 layers of non-stick material, which includes ceramic and alloy. But the my fancy coating that gives it this sort of speckled look is super, super durable, and it is also non-toxic. I've got my bread. What I did is I just bought a pre-packet mix of bread and I mixed it with some water and some yeast, and then I've let it proof for about 45 minutes until it's doubled in size. So look in the baking aisle of any of your convenience or supermarkets and you'll be able to see the pre-packet bread mix. Or if you want to, you can make it from scratch by yourself. So I'm just going to pull the dough out and pop it into my bread maker. Pop it in there like that. Even it out a little bit. Perfect. So now I've just simply placed it in there. I close the lid and I'm going to move through to my bread setting. So as I'm scrolling through, we've got things like slow cook, sponge cake, curry, clay pot rice, but today we're going to go to bread. So as you can see, the preset function has said on there it's going to take 45 minutes, and all I need to do is press OK, and the cooking has started. So I'll see you back in 45 minutes and we'll look at our delicious loaf of freshly baked bread. So it's been 45 minutes. And as you can see, the keep warm button has illuminated, letting us know that the unit has automatically switched over to keep warm to keep it nice and warm. Now we open it up and you can see some steam releasing. This bread here, it is best to pull it out, use a tea towel because the pan is very hot, and then flip it out onto your board. And as you can see, we have some absolutely delicious baked bread with a firm crust on it. So what you really should do is let this wait for a couple of minutes to let the steam come out of the bread, but I figure let's just cut some right now so we can see what it looks like inside. It's a bit hot. And as you can see, we have some beautiful, delicious home-baked bread within 45 minutes in our Philips rice cooker. Delicious.